So we're going to start off with the first item. If you want to just help me over here.
Okay.
So the first thing we're going to do in the blender here is a chorizo sausage rouille.
Nice.
It's a little bit not quite a traditional rouille, because that's basically a garlic mayonnaise that's filled or finished with breadcrumbs. So we've left the breadcrumb component out. So for all intents and purposes, it's a garlic mayonnaise. So we will start with 2 egg yolks. This is some of our house-made chorizo sausage. I've already diced it up, sautéed it to render it a little bit.
You do a lot of cured meats in-house, don't you?
We do. We have a very good charcuterie program.
Nice.
So again, a little bit of acid to help the emulsification process. We'll add a little bit more. That's
white wine vinegar?
Champagne vinegar as well. Some caramelized onions. And we'll just give a hint of some more acid with the lemon juice. Again, it's always very important. I try to stress with my young cooks is the acid component and how important it is with pretty much everything that you do. You just need that because it brings out and it just kind of magnifies all the other flavors that are involved with this. So you can use the pulse function here.
Okay, I got it.
Grab me the rubber spatula, please. So once you continue to do that, scraping the sides every now and then.
Okay.
And we're almost there. Continue to do that, and we'll finish with olive oil.
This is a really interesting preparation.
Is that a good consistency, or you need some more liquid in there?
Yeah, we'll start with the olive oil and to make our mayonnaise. All right. Take a look. We'll add some fresh oregano to that. Pulse that a little bit more. Now then we'll check our seasoning just to make sure we're accurate. Some fresh milled pepper and just a little bit of fresh. Some kosher salt. Give the bowl wipe a little bit and we'll give a taste.
All right. This looks so good.
Nice.
Sweet.
Grab yourself a little taste there.
All right, hold on a second. I'm excited. Can I just put this here? Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
Good?
It's delicious.
Nice.
How's the acid component, which is always the...
Has a good tartness at the end. Love it.
I'll tell you what. Let's just do a little bit more of the vinegar. And we'll explain why as we go to some of the other ingredients. All right. That should be good right now.